Hello everyone. Today is Monday, April 6, 2020, and this is a lesson on sight words. We're going to do a sight word review. These are the words we're going to review: about, all, and, are, as, at, be, been, but. Now let's read our job together, please. I will read, spell, and write the words correctly. You will do that on your own with no assistance after we are finished with this week's lesson. We're going to do this in some fun ways. We have some different chants here. So I'm going to show you how to do these. It'll be my turn first, and then your turn. So we're going to do the movie star kisses, and let me explain to you, let me read to you how this goes. Put your hands to your mouth. Through each letter in the word, blow a kiss like a movie star. Bow and say the whole word. So I'm going to show you what that looks like, and we're going to use the word about. Okay, watch me first. A, B, O, U, T. About. So I kissed through each letter, and then I bowed with the word. So now you do it with me. We're going to do about. Ready? A, B, O, U, T, about. Take about like a movie star. The next one is called hold your nose. I'm going to read it. I'm going to do it first. Then you're going to do it with me. Hold your nose and spell the word. Say the whole word with your nose closed, and then say P-U. Watch me first. We're going to do it with the word all. Me first. A-L-L. About. P-U. Okay, I can imagine some of you are probably laughing at me right now, but that's okay. As long as we learn how to spell these words without any help, then that's okay. So let's do it together. All ready? A-L-L, all. P-U. Okay, the next one is opera singer. Spell the words like an opera singer. Sing the whole word at the end. Okay, I want to warn you, you probably already know this. Never said I was a singer, but I'm going to do it. Me first. We're going to use the word and it goes this way. Your turn. Ready? Now, wasn't that fun? The next one is called drum a drum drum. Now with this one, you beat your desk like a drum and chant the letters in the word, say the whole word, and beat the syllables. We're going to use the word and. Watch me first. A, N, E, and. One syllable. Together, ready? A, N, B, and. That's one syllable. Now we're going to do the next one, fly like a bird. We're going to do that with the word are. Watch me first. I'm going to read the directions. I'm going to show you how, and then we'll do it together. Flap your arms like a bird. Each time you flap, say the letters in the word. Flap quickly when you say the word. So the word are. Ready? A, R, E. A-R-E-R. I don't think I did that right. Let's try it again. A, or like this. We can do flap our arms like this. Let's do it again. Ready? A-R-E-R. One more time. A-R-E-R. Very good. Now the next one is let's cheer. This one says, cheer the letters in the word like a cheerleader. Give me an H, give me an I, What does that spell? And then you say it. So we're going to do that with the word as. Watch me first. Give me an A. Give me an S. What does that spell? As. Let's do it together. Ready? Give me an A. Give me an S. What does that spell? As. Very good. The next one is snap and clap. It says spell the word aloud. Clap as you say the consonants. And snap as you say the vowels. So we clap for the consonant and we snap for the vowel. We're going to do that with the word B. So it goes this way. Me first. B, E. B is a consonant. E is the vowel. Ready? Let's do this together. Ready? B, E, B. All right. Now we're going to move on to dribble and shoot. You dribble each letter in the word and shoot when you say the word at the end. It looks like this. We're going to use the word bin. Ready? B, E, E, and bin. Let's do that again. B, E, E, and bin. We shoot when we say the word at the end. Okay, we're now down to the word but. I have some more examples like this, but we're going to save them for next week. So, which one should we pick? Movie star kisses, hold your nose, opera singer, drum a drum drum, like a bird, let's cheer, snap a clap, snap and clap, dribble and shoot. I think I'm going to pick snap and clap. And let me repeat the instructions on this. Spell the word aloud. Clap as you say the consonants and snap as you say the vowels. I'm going to do that with the word but. You watch me and then we do it together. Ready? B, U, T. B, U, T. What was the vowel in that word? You said you're correct. Let's do it together. Ready? B, U, T. I think we're going to try that with all of our words. Remember when we clap for the consonant and we snap for the vowel. We're going to start with about. I'll do it first and then you'll do it. Ready? Here we go. Me first. A, B, O, U, T, about. Your turn. Ready? A, B, O, U, T, about. The next one is all. Ready? Me first. A, L, L. Your turn. A, L, L, all. Next one is an. Ready? A, an, an. Your turn. A, an, an. Next one is and. A, N, D. And. Your turn. A, N, D, and. The next one is R. Ready? My turn. A, R, E. R. Your turn. A, R, E, R. My turn. A, S. Your turn. A, S. As. My turn. A, T, at. Your turn. A, T, at. My turn. B, E. Did I get that right? I didn't, did I? It's you clap on the consonant and you snap on the vowel. Ready? B, E, B. B, E, B. Your turn. B, E, B. All right, bin. Ready? B, E, E, N. Your turn. B, E, E, N. Great job, guys. The last one is but. Ready? My turn. B-U-T. Your turn. B-U-T. But. Very good, guys. I hope you enjoyed these different ways of practicing spelling our words. We spelled, so now we need to practice. We read the words and we spelled the words in this activity. Now you're going to practice writing the words. And so I'm going to move on to your activity. And I want you to pay attention to what this says, because the top portion is just for you to practice Monday through Wednesday. And then on Thursday, everyone does this one activity down here. So let's read what this says. It says Monday through Wednesday. Pick an activity from below and complete. Send me a picture of your work. So you pick one of these activities. And so this is you here practicing how to spell them and write them and read them. So you can either write your words in rainbow colors in a journal. So if you have crayons or markers, do they have to be red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple? No, they can just be different colors if you'd like, just different colors. And so you would write about. What would that look like? You will write A. Maybe you would do it this way. You could write about. You could write the A in green. I don't know if you can see that. Then you could take another rainbow color, like maybe red, and write the B in red. And then I will take my orange or any other colors that I have. O. Now let me just finish it up so that I can show you. I know that I have many different colors here. I have yellow, blue, and then this way. So this is what my word about may look like. I wrote it in rainbow colors. And then I move on to write the next word, which the next word would be the word all. That's it. Or you can make your words with Play-Doh if you have Play-Doh at home. If you don't, then you just skip that one. You can make your words in sand or rice. Make sure you get assistance from mom or dad. To do this, you would just get like a cookie sheet. Mom or dad may pour some sand or rice or even salt into a tray, and then you just practice writing all of these words. Make sure and take a picture that I can see if you choose that activity or if you choose the Play-Doh activity. Actually, all of these you will send me a picture. You could write your words on the table with shaving cream if mom and dad say that's okay. Or if you have sidewalk chalk, you could write your words using sidewalk chalk. On Thursday, I want everyone to open up their journal and write sentences with their words. So if I were to write a word with the word about, it may look like this. Remember writing complete sentences with a capital letter at the beginning and punctuation at the end. So for example, if I were to write a sentence with about, I might say the story is about a cat. And I would underline the word about to show that I use the word about. If you have any questions on how to do this activity, please reach out to me, ask me questions. I will be more than happy to help you. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.